How to install the Hexlox through axle. First, remove your current axle. You'll need a normal hex wrench. Simply insert the wrench, loosen the axle, and slide it out. If your through axle has a lever, just loosen and slide the axle out. Then, insert the Hexlox through axle through the hub and into the frame or fork. Tighten it using a 6mm torque wrench or Allen key. Consult the frame or fork manufacturer for max torque. Next, use your Hexlox key to place the Hexlox insert into the axle head. Twist the key slightly to disengage. It holds in place securely thanks to the magnetic head. Then pop in one of the protection caps. It'll keep your Hexlox insert clean and protect it from dust and street grime. Maintenance is minimal. Once in a while, remove the Hexlox insert to check the torque. At this point, you should also clean the socket from any dirt and grime that might have accumulated. Socket clean? Good. Add a bit of oil into the socket, pop the Hexlox insert and protection cap back in. Done.